Hola mis amores, this is Massey with my Sparkle DIYs. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how I made this gorgeous fall wreath from Dollar Tree items that will make your front door look alive this fall season and no one will even know you only spent a few dollars on this wreath. Okay, so first I'm gonna grab my sign and then I'm gonna cut the little twine hanger that comes with the sign, and then I'm gonna use that to tie the wreath and the sign together. Okay, so now on the back I'm gonna be adding a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue there to where they touch, and then I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes. I'm going to be using this raffia to make a little bow to add to the stem of my sign. Next, I'm gluing some larger leaves going in the same direction to give my wreath more volume. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my flowers, and I'm gonna also add more greenery too. I'm not gonna do it in any specific pattern. I'm just gonna keep adding them, trying not to glue the same flower too close to each other. I'm going to be using this string of twine to hang my wreath to the door, so I'm going to make sure it's really secure. I am going to tie it up on one side and then the other side. As you can see, I am making my bow using this scarf. You can get really creative here and use multiple scarves. You can use different color scarves. You can use ribbons. I want my bow to have more volume, so I'm going to add a double bow and then I'm going to fluff it up until I'm happy with it. Okay, so now for the final step, I am going to add this zip ties to tie my twine and the wreath a little bit more. I don't want my door to scratch, so I'm going to turn the pointy part to the inside of the wreath. And this is how it turned out. I think it's really beautiful. I am loving all those happy, fun colors for fall. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And please subscribe so you don't miss any of my next DIY videos. And follow me on Instagram. The link is down below on the video description. Okay, mis amores. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you soon.